Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Dashami. We don't have anything special today planned. We are not going outside, so we decided that we'll just inflate the swimming pool and have some good time. So let us see how much we can do with it. Climb on me. Psych! You want a revolution? Goal. So we are done with the swimming pool stuff. Goal. Now task is to remove the water from here. They have movement everywhere. Hey guys, so we are done changing. We've just come down. It's Bishorjan time right now. They're taking the goddess out and they're gonna take her down to the lake pond, whatever you want. That's a firecracker. Anyways, we have tons of sweets over here because today is Dussehra, the 10th day, and it's a tradition. So you have a lot of sweets over here. We have a lot of sweetness among us. We're gonna wait for the goddess to come on and then we'll go, and we probably might not go because it's raining. It's drizzling, so we probably might not go, but I will just show you what happens because this is the last day and although we look happy, we are a bit emotional because this is the only time of the year. Yeah, this is the only time of the year when we all come together in like a single vlog in a single short part. So let's just hope it's the best time of the year because this is the last day of Durga Puja, it's the saddest day of the year, no doubt.
Guys, Bhakti Visarjan, every Thakur on their way, coming, dropping soon, releasing next year. Make sure to subscribe, Thakurs.
So हम सब आए इधर. We're gonna cook something after a long time. So let's get cooking. Yeah. So we're gonna go cook something because we don't know what to cook. We got some chicken. We know the basic recipe of how to cook chicken fried. So let's go experiment something. Kuch to banega. So basically, back in Italy, I experiment a lot with my food. So be it like rice, any type of gravy, I experiment a lot. So today's gonna be pure experimentation, and whatever comes up in our mind, we're gonna make that. So we'll be making the batter for the chicken right now, and I'll be putting this on time lapse because it will interfere in the whole cooking. So let's just go on the time lapse right now. So chicken is ready, time to serve it on the plate and have it. Please tell me your review. How's the food? How's the chicken?
It's good.
How's the rice?
It's good.
That is such a lame review. How's the review?
Quick recipe बहुत अच्छा था. Really बहुत अच्छा था.
कैसा है? Good.
Good.
So meet you guys after you're done with the dinner because it's really good and I have to finish it before my hunger dies. Hey guys, welcome back. So skip the morning part. I'm continuing right from the evening. Right now we're heading off to JW Marriott to celebrate the birthday of my sister, one of my sisters. So her birthday is actually on 26th, but since I won't be here, we're celebrating it early. Our reservation is at 7:30. It's 7 o'clock. We still haven't left. So I think so I'm the only one who's late. I'll meet you guys once we're in the car. अरे क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
दांत में लग गए उसे ठीक कर रहा है।
तुम लोग का परफेक्ट फोटोग्राफी स्पॉट है यहाँ पर। मॉडलिंग करोगे यहाँ पर। What is better is the what do you say the banquet hall inside. And I think so we can't go outside in the pool area.
Because it's not.
Whoa, look at the stairs. Even the top view from here looks beautiful. Crazy. Hanji. First row. अच्छा guess what? They have chopsticks over here. तुम लोग को use करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now since you've given the order right now, it's time to teach them how to hold a chopstick.
Again, second time.
Again, yeah, for the second time because I've taught them before as well. Your fingers and the one on the top that you have to use as a pencil. Did you get it? You got it?
Yeah.
Good job. Arjun, you didn't get it yet? So basically the one on the bottom, this one should be resting and this should be the one moving. Damn, the soup looks really good. Wow, wow, wow.
Is it Tom Yum one?
No, this is the hot and sour chicken. So we got our dim sum and I don't know what that is. Okay, chicken satay. Uske andar you have soup inside that, so be careful. Okay? Wow. Thank you. So I want them to try the bao right now, which has like hot liquid in it, hot soup. So you just take it and gently place it in your mouth because नहीं तो जल जाएगा मुंह. You ready? You can have some water before it. उतना भी खतरनाक नहीं है. नहीं, it's beautiful. It's how's it? बहुत अच्छा, I'm telling you. Have it.
बहुत गंदा है ना? उतना भी गंदा.
गंदा नहीं, गौरव है. अरे और वो टैलेंट का क्वेश्चन पढ़ जाएगा किंतु. क्या नाटक है इसका देखो.
So right now, Boyo is there. It's a surprise birthday. She has no idea about it.
Okay. Did you know about it?
It's clearly surprise. So we're gonna cut the cake right now. She has no idea. She's sitting right over there. So let's cut the cake and let's see her reaction. I think so. She has a hint. Maybe yes. Maybe yes. She knows.
But she looks clueless.
Hello, Baba.
Happy birthday.
What's her name? Boyo.
Hey.
Kude.
Embarrassing moment.
Boyo. Kude Rani.
तुमने रेड वेलवेट
बहुत
किया.
ही अच्छा केक.
हाँ तो गुटे हाउ द सरप्राइज.
हाँ सरप्राइज वाज वेरी गुड. अरे ये केक आया ना. केक आया लौटाने वाली थी. हाँ भाई मैं सबको बताने वाली थी. ये गलत जगह में पता नहीं है.
Holy shit. This coconut creme brulee or whatever this is. Could you see that? Oh, that's caramel on top. So we are done with our dinner. We're going down the infamous stairs of JW Marriott. How was the dinner?
Really beautiful, awesome. It was tasty. I tried something new today.
I would give it a 8.5 out of 10. Not the best, but good enough. Yeah, I especially love the lobby of this entire place. I still don't get why they have these thingies on the top hanging. I don't know what they are, rings or what. And even they have bells over there, which I don't know what they are off for, but I don't know. They look good enough. Ambient. Okay, so right now we are in Newtown, in the middle of nowhere. They're in the car. They have no idea what's going on. Neither of them knows except me. So we're standing over here, waiting for the other people to arrive so we can give her the gifts. Why in the middle of the road? Because if we go back home, by the time we reach back home, everyone's gonna be tired. As soon as they see the sofa, they're gonna just jump on it and be tired. So we decided that we do the unboxing of the gifts in the middle of the road, and they'll be here anytime now. So let's just wait for them to arrive, and we will give her the gifts. तुम्हारा गिफ्ट अनबॉक्सिंग हुआ यहाँ पर. In the middle of the road, तुम्हारा गिफ्ट अनबॉक्सिंग.
जूता.
चेक करो. कौन खोल.
अरे अनबॉक्सिंग चीवी पार्टी.
ए बाकी लोग खोल. नुंगड़े दे.
अरे वाह. इसलिए तुमने हमको पूछा शर्ट का साइज क्या है. ये क्या जूता है. पिंक कलर पे मला पिंक बहुत पसंद है.
ए डॉगी Hi doggy. So doggy. Hi doggy number 2. This is the most unusual unboxing in the middle of the highway.
जूता ग्लैडिएटर
वो क्या होता है?
ग्लैडिएटर
मुझे तो पता ग्लैडिएटर मूवी का नाम होता है. 11:15. माँ, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी.
The next day.
इमा. 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 वो चिड़गी.
अरे काला कोला
अरे ये what the hell is happening? इमा. वो चिड़गी. अर्जुन शंको दुबा प्लान किसका था?
हम लोगों ने भूल गया शंख लाने के लिए
मैं गैस रूम के सामने खड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ? ओ केक है मुझे बाप रे कौन केक बोल अब हम केक खाने जाते डिनर का सांड लोग हैं हम लोग खाने को पड़ रहे हैं केक में की था रहने दो ठीक है उमा कहाँ के देखो क्यों से वो ऐसे लगे जो ब्रो क्या हो रहा है अरे अभी हॉट पैंट पूरा नीचे हाय दीदी
दीदी रेड स्कल
रेड हल ओ क्या खाए मस्त खेलने के बाद अभी खाना खा रहे हैं बोन्स चॉपस्टिक से खाओ चॉपस्टिक से
तुम पागल है क्या सब
चॉपस्टिक दिखा
so back again with a change and
हाय गाइस
So we
now
are wearing
boring tha ye guys wala. We're all wearing red today on the occasion of Lakshmi Puja. Everyone's wearing red. Okay, she's also wearing red, but a blue blouse. Literally every one of us are twinning. Everyone in the hall room are twinning because everyone's wearing red today. Reason guys.
only kids are wearing it.
kids are wearing
Everyone's in discussion. Everyone's taking pictures. সবাই ছবি নিচ্ছে এখানে. I will stop right now or else I'll get copyright strike. So I'll meet you guys in a while.
vlog कब आएगा लेकिन कब आएगा
Vlog for sure. This vlog will come out late in December or next year. Happy New Year. Well, I mean, I predicted it. You can't blame me. Anyway, this vlog did not have a proper outro as well, so I'm gonna end the vlog right over here. I hope you guys enjoyed the complete Durga Puja series. The last episode, the Dashami video, this is way longer than the Durga Puja one, I know, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video regardless. And if you guys did, make sure leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. This has been the most consistent week so far in my entire YouTube life. Posted like 7 or 6 videos in a row, so make sure you give the love and share the love and watch it with your family, with your friends. There's nothing that's too out of PG, so you can watch it with anyone. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Sean Biss, over and out. See you guys again soon, very soon, promise. Bye.